Hello guys, this is Carlos and we're gonna test our GetToken function to explain how our compiler will work. Let me tell you that it's always important to test your functions. Do that, we encourage you to test your function after your development, right? So first of all, we should go to the main.cpp file in the code creator, and after that we are gonna just to comment these lines, this row, and the next step is we're gonna call the push file function. So using the pointer push file function, and it's important that we should copy all the root or new file, and to do this we can go to the file in this directory, copy this, go to our file manager, and so we're gonna create a new file. I include a folder, and we're gonna create a new file. Its name is gonna be rules.txt. Okay, so after that we're gonna again to prop compiler v2, and then we're gonna copy all the path between stuff to the push file function. So it's gonna be rules.txt semicolon. So to test this function we will insert a few rows in our file, in a text file. So we're going to start with a comment, and just one simple rules adventure, a random rule, it doesn't matter, and persistence or goal, I can say goal, whatever, implies success. Just a random rule. So I'm going to put another row as a comment and testing error, and put some sequences of characters that will be an error. Simple will be this one, or a character that we could handle, and just another one. Okay, just save it and go again to the code and put a comment here as push file. Yeah, whatever, quite obvious. And the other one will be GetToken routine to display to test. Just quite simple. So I want to create a PROPLexAnalyzer lexem called L, and just a quick loop to test unsigned int sorry, concrete word plus all equal to pv, pointing to the function getToken, and our text stream called out, and it's gonna gonna display the type l.m type of the local lexem and separate it with the tab t and the token. Don't forget the token. Don't worry, yeah, we're gonna test all the step by step every instruction in this video. So this is just to show a little bit what we're gonna do. And then, okay, so let's run it. Oops. Run. Don't bother with those issues. So it's quite simple. Let's remember we're going to go to the PROPLexAnalyzer and look at this num type. Remember that the num types begins with 0, so this is 1, 2, 3 and so on. So let's remember the comment. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's type type number 7, and the token is expert actually. Let me just show it here. Then the 4 is the open bracket or parentheses. Sorry. Another parenthesis, and okay, here we have a problem. Just put in the E. Okay. Look at, and it's in the case 3. Yeah, that's the importance of testing a little bit before deploying your code. Just restart this thing and run it again. So now it's solid. It's now a venture, and we were in the part that I was explaining here. I'll put this one here just to see the three windows at the same time. So okay, we said 7 is a comment, and the expert without the pound is actually the comment. The pound we're gonna exclude it, and then we have the string begins with this, and then the next row go to the second row, and that's actually the rule. We started with 2 parentheses and then the ID. Before that we had the broken bracket and the implication operation, that is this one, and another parenthesis, the ID go, another parenthesis, and after that the implication operation. And you can see that this type is 0 because it's operator. You might see it might be operator, and after that I don't know what's going on here. I think that okay, just put it in 100. Wow. Okay, that's too much. Just it's a quick look. It doesn't matter if it displays a lot of stuff. I think that the string is holding the last character, and it's just displaying until the loop is finished. So then we have what we have left, and that is the success, accompanied with red bracket, and after that the comment and a lot of errors. So for example, type 3 is an error. Let's just check it out. 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 error. That's correct. And this one is also a error. Well, I don't know why it's not displaying this character. Let's just change it a certain way and just test it out again. So quick run, and it's not working. Leave it all, doesn't matter. So while it's building, let's put a breakpoint in this function, PROPLexAnalyzer, and it's the GetToken. Okay, just put a breakpoint over there, and main.cpp. Let's test it out again. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's just do this. Save it and run it again. Okay. Check it out. So to debug, we should type F5 and go directly to the breakpoint, and we start to check it out. So this building, it takes the device, seek the last position, create the token character. This is the only cases where it reached the end of file. We aren't in the end of file. We don't have pending chart, so we directly take one from the stream. So we started the first state, it's 0. So go through case 0, the switch, and determine which character is. So this is the character pound, and the states is equal to, is assigned to 4. Break, and to the next loop. And we haven't, we don't have. Check another chicken chart, and just look at this part where I'm pointing it. It's kind of local window to watch every variable that we have using, and we are using chicken chart and states. So we can see in every step if these variables change. So tick chart change to the E of its per system. So it holds the case for comments until it gets the end of line character. So just hold it the same the before. Let's look at this. Spurt, and we have the end of line character, and instead of going to this branch, is go to the alt and determine the type, put the string to the last position, and return the lexem, and that's it. We display it with our out of queue text stream, and we start again with the next one. It's gonna be the rule. Great. We start again. Again, starting up all the variables. Get the device, the file, get the seek the last position, view the queue chart, and then we reached the end of line. We don't have any charts, and it's the first one is a parenthesis, so let's go as always to the case 0 and to the case of the open parenthesis, open bracket, as we put in this way. So because it's only one character possible, we just return it directly. Return all. That's it. We use your QText stream, and the next one. Okay. The next one is gonna be the ID. So again, no open the chart, no end of line. I'm gonna seek in this part to see what's going on, what's wrong with this output. Well, it's not displaying, but remember that the last operator is repeated a lot of times. I don't know why. We're gonna to discover it. So this is another parenthesis. Okay, again, whatever. I wanna watch the IG. So we started with the A adventure. It goes to the default case of the default part, the default case, yeah, of the case 0 for first letters. Determines is a letter, is a underscore, let's go to the stage 3 and break, again to the loop. Again, there is no integer. Case tree, directly to the case tree for the IDs. Let's put a little bit to the right, and we're just appending the characters and holding the state tree until we would get another letter that is not another character that is not a letter or an underscore. So continue. Look, just look at this one until we reach the last letter, that is the E, and that's it. The next one is the closing bracket. So don't bother, please. We go to the case tree, we are holding it, remember, and we determine it's a letter or a number or an underscore. It's not, so we go to the else part and determine, okay, that's it, it's the end of the ID. Just return it, put the last post in the stream, return it, and we have our what's happened here? Okay, I don't mind. So the next one, it's the closing bracket. Whatever the same, close bracket, closing bracket. Okay, and well, I don't know what happened there, but whatever. Okay, let's just look a little bit to the file, and it's the turn of the operator. So again, the same stuff, case 0, and it goes to one of these ones. They are the same operators, and just return the operator. As simple as that. Display it, and that's it. Next one is I just go through it. Oh, sorry. Go the close parentheses and the comment. You should reach the comment. Yes. Okay, success. Yeah, you know what the fuck. Just let me look a little bit to the 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End of line. Okay, it's correct because we have a few over here. And the comment type 7. The next one it's an arrow. So again, let's go through it. Case the hyphen, it's correct, and this is quite important, interesting. So we're gonna go to the state 1 in the next loop. Go to the whatever case 1 and l.m token, and we append it. And in this comment we see that this case is for the right bracket. So it's a bracket, a right bracket. It's not, so it's a error because it's a left bracket. It should be a right bracket. So we determine that it's an error. Again, we put the last position, break, and display an error. So I would like to look at this, specifically this one, to look why it's repeating a lot of times. Zero. Okay. Yeah. So it gets the first one. Go to the state 1. Okay. It's not, so we return an error. It's okay for me. And the next one will be right bracket. It's doing well, actually. Okay, so we go to, because it's the first letter, we go to the case 0, to the default case. It's not a letter, it's not an underscore, so it's also an error, and that's it. Just let me check something. What's happening when we reach the end of file? It's not getting one. It's getting again the right bracket. This is quite interesting. I think I'm gonna to create another. Let me pause it a little bit. Okay, I think let's just demonstrate it. That here's the error because we are not saving the last position of the string. So instead holding with the last one, that is the bracket, is not displaying it as we wish. So let's just run it to assess that it's working. And what the hell? Okay. Review it all. So this one. Let's try it again. What the hell? 222. Let me just 0 1 2 end of file. Okay, it's correct actually because it's reaching the end of line or end of file. So it's okay for me. So this is what I wanted to display it. I want to show you how to test this stuff. As you see, there were quite error. We should test a little bit, but because of the circumstances, we're not left in this way. So if you want to test your code and comment something about it, go ahead. It's okay for me. If you have, as always, if you wanted to share this video with your friends, or comment, post some comment in the website or in the YouTube video, it's okay for me. Go ahead. I encourage you to do that. So thank you very much. The next video we want to start with the syntax analyzer, It's gonna be cool, so wait for it. See you guys.